What's good? What's good? And good early afternoon from Canada. So we're gonna go over VeChain. It's been highly requested in the Discord, so I'm gonna do it for you guys. I can't do every request that you guys give me. I'm trying to stick to a handful of coins because it just gets a bit crazy. But we're gonna go over VeChain. We're going to hop into their Twitter and go over a couple of their recent tweets as well as the technical analysis. The chart is looking absolutely beautiful. I was like, wow, it looks gorgeous. All right, so we're up basically 8% on the day, and over the 7 day, we're up 23%. So we're sitting in a market cap of 15.69 billion and a 24-hour volume of 4.26 billion. Now, the reason I'm not doing the website overviews anymore is because everyone is so familiar with these coins already, and it's kind of repetitive. So if you're new to the coins, please do research before investing. All right, guys. So let's head over to the Twitter. So they had this announcement on April 30th. Crypto.com exchange list VThor, the native coin of VeChain. So that's awesome to see. And then as well up here, they surpassed 300K followers on Twitter. And right here, so the COVID-19 vaccination records and healthcare transformation enterprise adoption. So find out what we've been working on with our partners like Bayer, H&M, and more in this interview. So there's a YouTube video here. So it says here from Jimmy two times, want to learn about implemented valuable use cases of blockchain by enterprises? Check out the interview below to learn how companies like H&M, Walmart, Bayer, and hospitals in Cyprus all built solutions on VeChain. So that's awesome to hear, guys. I love that VeChain is constantly releasing news on their Twitter about VeChain and about VThor as well. And it's awesome to see VThor now being listed on crypto.com. Guys, if you're new to investing, there is a link. If you're new to investing in crypto, there's a link for crypto.com in the comment section. Get 25 bucks for signing up, fastest growing app. To buy your crypto, and NFTs as well. So let's hop into this technical analysis for VeChain. So we're here on the 1 week chart, and we can see how beautifully it's just been climbing. I'm going to actually put it on the 1 day for you guys. It's just beautifully bouncing off the 20 EMA on the 1 day. Basically, since this bull run got started, you see your bullish cross right here in November, December, January, and it's just been beautifully bouncing off the 20 and the 50 EMA. It's gorgeous. Like looking at this chart, it's absolutely beautiful. It's like going on a first date and just being like, wow, she's absolutely stunning. That's how I feel about this VeChain chart right now. So I'll show you guys the Fibonacci. So you can, like I said in previous videos, you can pull your Fibonacci all the way back months, years behind, and you can, like I pulled it all the way back here. I'm gonna put it onto actually this should be fine. So we're back here at this swing high back in August. So I'll take my Fibonacci. Now you might see other creators pull it from the bottom to the top. It's just because they have their Fibonacci on reverse. I pull mine from the top to the bottom, from the swing high down to the swing low. But if I were to put my Fibonacci, if you go into your settings and you put it on reverse, you can see here it reversed, and then you would take it from your swing low up to your swing high to get your price targets. But I prefer to have it on I prefer to have it on normal and not on reverse. So it's going to be on reverse again. I'm just going to change the settings. So if you go into your settings, you can put it onto reverse, or you can just put it onto normal. All right, guys. So take it from your swing high, the very peak of your candle, all the way down to your swing low, and it will give you your price targets. All right, guys. So if we scroll up here, we can see, and we can see here on the chart that the price found resistance right at the 3.618 on the Fibonacci. All right, the Fib don't lie. So we're here on the daily. And we can see here on the daily how much resistance we found at 3.618 on the fib, and it rolled over to find support on the EMA, which is awesome. You want to see that right here. You see it overextends, it comes down, and it broke through the 20 because it was a bit too far overextended. And here it started to overextend, hit its head on the fib, and rolled over and found support on the 20 EMA. So that's exactly what we want to see. And now we can see we're beautifully trending back upwards. So I'm going to put it back onto the 4-hour chart here. So we can see here on the 4-hour, we have that bullish cross of the 20 over the 50, and we're heading back up to that price target of about 27 cents. And we have a beautiful little bull pendant here that looks like we're already starting to break out. So you can see your bull pennant here, and we've already started to break out. And it's a great time. We're going to go test that resistance at 27 cents. Now we'll probably hit that resistance once again and have some trouble breaking through. But if we do break through and we turn it into support, we roll over and turn it into support, then your next price target on the fib here is up at about 48 cents. So you're probably going to see some major resistance right here. 1, 2, 3. You had a triple top and then you rolled over. You came back up to find support on the EMAs, and you've broken out of your bull pennant here, and you're trending back up to that price target of 27 cents. So let's put it onto the 1 hour. Yeah, you can see like this is just an absolute gorgeous uptrend. You can see how beautifully it's bouncing off the 20 EMA. You see that bullish cross right here, and it's going making that break for 27 cents. So once it reaches 27 cents, you could definitely see that roll over again, just so we can come back to the EMAs on the daily. You see how it's a little bit overextended, so we'll head up to 27 cents, hit resistance again, and either we're going to roll over to find that support along the 20 EMA as it creeps up, or we break through and we roll over and we turn 27 cents into resistance, into support, and that will be a clear sign that we'll head towards 48 cents. Now, I'll take the Fibonacci and give some short-term price targets. So we're here on the 1-day chart. So you take your Fibonacci, you take it from your peak of your candle at the top of the wick down to your bottom. So you can see here at the 0.618, the golden ratio, that we found some major resistance. We broke through a little bit there, but we weren't able to hold it as support. Resistance, and now we've had our breakout. So it'd be beautiful to see us roll over and create support here on the 0.786 on the fib, which is at about 23 cents. Oh, right here at 23 cents, we roll over, we turn it into support, and then we can go tackle our high at 28 cents here, and then you have your next price target at 34 cents. So that's what you want to see, guys. You want to see a break through the 786 on the fib, you turn it into support, you break out again, you turn the next level into support, and you continue onwards. Now, it's not going to look exactly like that, but you can see here. So you can see it beautifully here. I pulled the Fibonacci from February 12th down to the swing low here at February 24th. And you can see it break through the levels of the Fibonacci, come back to turn it into support. Break through levels of the Fibonacci, come back to turn it into support. Breakthrough support, breakthrough support, and finding support along the 20 EMA here on the daily. So that's exactly what we want to see. We break through our levels, we turn into support. We break through our levels, we turn into support. And the 20 EMA continues to creep up. That's why I say that this chart is so beautiful, because if you zoom out, you can see how beautifully it's just been finding support on the 20 EMA. It breaks out a little bit, finds support. A little bit of a bigger breakout, comes down, breaks the 20 EMA, finds support on the 50, and continues to trend upwards. It's gorgeous, 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 absolutely sexy, beautiful chart. So those are our next price targets. And you can see here we've already broken through 23 cents. So our next price target, well, we'll hit some resistance. Most likely it's 28 cents, and hopefully we push through, we turn that into support, and we head towards 34 cents for VeChain. All right, guys. Now, if we go back to our price targets from the Fibonacci that was pulled all the way back from the peak in August, all the way down to the swing low here in November when we saw that bullish cross and we started our bull run. We have those price targets of 27 cents, which we're very, very close to. And then next would be 48 cents for VeChain. Gorgeous. Look how gorgeous this chart is. Look how it beautifully bounces off the EMAs. Super strong project. Obviously, is very popular. Just wanted to cover it for you guys because it's been requested on the Discord, right? So that's it for VeChain. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Discord. Oh, I just hit my mic. Over 1,000 members. And we talk all things crypto. We even have our own room here for VeChain. We can see here HS Physio. He says VeChain looking to explode, ascending triangle. I agree with you, my friend. It is looking to break out for sure. Bet looking fantastic by Costigen. It's awesome to see. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.